Alright, what's up you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell. That way you can get updates on all of my videos, and it's good for the YouTube algorithm. In today's video, I want to give you guys an update on this property. If you've been following the channel and you've seen the previous videos, you guys know I've been working on this property, but I want to tell you that this is a property that belongs to one of my students that's in my mentorship program. So she actually purchased the house from us during the mentorship program, and she decided that she wanted me to manage the renovations, and this is what mentorship looks like. Okay, now you can buy properties like this all the time with distressed properties that need total renovation, and you can just do the work yourself and make it a DIY project. But she wanted me to manage the renovations because I have the time to put into it. She doesn't have the time to put into it, but if you have the time, you can actually do the renovations yourself. But if you're a real estate newbie and you're just getting started, this is probably the best way to go when it comes down to renovating a property without having to put your time into it. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys inside so you can see exactly how far we have come on this property. So if you've been following the channel, you know that this house was gutted down to the studs. So it was just bare bones. And we got a sheetrock and we have it painted. And what we're doing now is we're doing the casing out the windows, and we had to caulk those and paint those, trim those out in white. That's what he's doing right here. Just created a little design for the windows, make it look good. And those are 1x6s that we just cut out and trimmed it out with. And here's the bathroom. Still have to, so this right here is a wall around the shower. So we'll just put that up around the shower. We won't have the towel. We probably have to trim that out a little bit once we get that up, see what's going on, see how much of the window is gonna cover up. And this is the kitchen. The floor is done here in the kitchen, but we just got it covered up. So, want no paint or anything to get on it. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bed house. Again, if you decide to renovate a property and it's a distressed property, there are some steps you have to take. And I explained those steps in my previous videos. You can go check out that video, the first video, how to rehab a property like a pro, and how to estimate rehab costs. But actually, we won't take us long from here. We are we're in good time. Once we start trimming out those windows, and the next thing would be just doing our touch-up paint. The last thing will be the floors. We don't want to go in with the floors until we actually know that we're pretty much complete. So, okay, sorry about that. And what will happen is once we're done in here with the remodel, then the electrician will have to come in, and then the plumber will have to come in and get their final inspection. All right, so we have a y'all can see the plugs right here. Okay, so before, like I explained in the videos before, you get a rough end inspection before you can close up the walls, and then you will have to get a final inspection from the plumber and the electrician. So they have to get their inspection passed before we can actually get power. And then we redid everything on the outside. We did some custom shutters with dog ear wood, the same wood we use for this fence right here. We did shutters with those. You can get a little creative. You don't have to do too much, especially if it's a rental property, or if you if you decide you're gonna flip the property. Depends on whatever you decide to do. All right. So you've seen the inside, and you've seen how fast we've been running on this project. We started it again about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and we're on pace for our 6 weeks that I had mapped out on the calendar for this project right here. All right. So if you're interested in learning how to get started, click the link below. I will drop a link in the description on how to get started. I have a course on how to get started, okay? But I appreciate you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.